In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom text objects in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to combine text and shapes, so your lettering takes on a unique, polished look that's perfect for posters, social posts, or logos. Start by choosing the Artistic Text tool. You'll find it on the toolbar, represented by a capital A icon. Artistic Text is ideal for headlines and standalone words because it gives you flexible, freeform control without creating a fixed text frame. With the tool active, click and drag across your canvas to define the size and angle of your text baseline, then release to drop the typing cursor. This drag and drop motion sets the initial scale, so give yourself enough room to work. If you change your mind later, you can always resize with the Move tool, but starting close to your target size keeps everything crisp and manageable. Now, type your text. Keep it short and impactful if you're planning a bold graphic effect. You can fine-tune the font, weight, spacing, and color in the context toolbar or the character panel. Strong, high-contrast fonts usually showcase shape-based effects best, but feel free to experiment to match your design style. Next, select the shape you want to as the custom element for your text. This can be any existing vector object on your canvas. Think icons, badges, arrows, or abstract forms. Make sure it's the exact shape and position you want to integrate with the text. A simple shape with clean edges often produces the most readable results. With that shape selected, press Ctrl plus X to cut it. On a Mac, use Command plus X. Cutting removes the shape from the canvas and places it on your clipboard, ready to be combined with your text. Don't worry. You can always undo if you cut the wrong object. Now paste it onto the text. First click to select your text object so Affinity knows where to place the shape, then press Ctrl plus V or Command plus V on a Mac. When the text layer is active, pasting puts the shape directly onto the text, allowing the two to work together visually. If you don't see the effect you expect, double check that the text is selected before you paste. You can nudge or resize the pasted shape afterward to perfect the alignment and balance. That's it. You've added a custom text object in Affinity with a clean, repeatable workflow. Use this approach to create standout titles, branded marks, and eye-catching layouts quickly and confidently.